So, welcome back to another Random Hobby Channel. Sorry, ngayon lang ulit makapagganito. Ngayon lang ulit nagka-off. So, simulan na natin. Ang dami nating backlogs. Di na natin nabuksan. Uy! Hey, bye! Nice. Suki. Vision reinforcements. Pretending Fox Bears. A lot to learn. Uy, koala sheep. Cute. Vengeful villagers. Hey, bye! Rabaru troop. Acrobatic leap. Pastor redemption. That's rough, buddy. Sunbender storm. Thriving heath. And our lands. So, backlogs din pag may time. Tapos nadagdagan pa yung FF Chocobo bundle. Baka sa Christmas natin buksan. Sinister Cryologies. Orbital Plunge. Samus Curiosity. Scribe's Lightblade. Depressurize. Voice Gale Blade. Thawbringer. Zealous Display. Atomic Micromancer. Survey Mechan, Seer, Num 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 Num, Right Hand, Close Encounter, Planes, and nothing. So, Kamigawa. Tapos meron pa yung Warhammer. Ay, dami natin pwedeng gawin. Dami pang mapapanood sa Netflix. A Ganja Exemplar, Sky Swimmer Koi, Mokotai Amber, Simian Sling, Spell Pierce, Regent's Authority, I'm a bit sick, Undercity Scrounger, Season of Renewal, Shrine Steward, Kiba, Raid, Nesomi Road Captain, nice. Lich Gauntlet, Orochi, Imperial Recovery Unit, Spirit Sister Skull, Rugged Highlands, and nothing. So, Christmas open natin to. Meron pa tayong Victor at saka Lee Sin. So, Sean Vermal. That's all for now. Bye.